Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. And today onwards, we are going to be starting a new playlist and free of cost we are actually providing in the YouTube. And this blockchain course basically required two major programming languages. One is the Web3.js and one is the Python programming language. So as I promised, we are going to be delivering Web3.js free sessions in YouTube, 30 sessions. At the same time, Python also free 30 sessions we are going to be providing into the YouTube. So for that, the day, this is the demonstration for the web3.js. What is the content we are going to be covering for you for this Ethereum dApp development, blockchain Ethereum dApp development. This web3.js, if you want to learn web3.js, you should learn JavaScript and you should learn Node.js also. So anyway, JavaScript, Node.js free videos we will upload in the YouTube channel. So those videos also something like 30-hour sessions. Okay. So even for JavaScript, I will upload 30 sessions. Even for the Node.js also, I will upload 30 sessions. And Web3.js also, I will upload 30 sessions. Python also, I will upload 30 sessions. Okay. So the programming skills, the basic programming skills, whatever you require to develop the blockchain application, we will upload in the YouTube free of cost. Okay. So then if you want to enroll for the blockchain course, you can able to easily understand the blockchain before finishing this particular free sessions and all. Okay, anyway, I just want to explore the course content. The week one, what we have to go is day one, blockchain basics, Ethereum overview, why Web3.js is required. That is the day one session, which is going to be available in the YouTube. And day two, install Node.js, npm, VS Code, and MetaMask. That is the day two session. Day three is set up a new Node project and install Web3 is the day three. And day four, connect with Ethereum testnet via infra Alchemy. And day five, fetch the latest block chain ID and gas price and all. Next, day six, we go with create a new wallet account with Web3.js. Day 7, import MetaMask account into the Web3.js. Next, week 2. Week 2 is accounts, sorry, week 2 is accounts and transactions. And the day 8, sign a simple message with the Web3.js. Day 9, verify signed messages and send a raw EHS transaction programmatically. That is the day 10. And the day 11 is understand gas nonce receipts in detail. And the day 12 is write helper function for sending ETH security. And day 13 is handle errors and insufficient gas cases. And day 14, explore testnets. So Goreli and Cipolia for pockets. And week 3, we have smart contracts. And day 15, introduction to smart contract and ABI. Day 16, deploy a simple contract using a remix IDE. Day 17, connect to deployed contract from web3.js. Day 18, read connect contract variables view functions. So day 19, write to contract state changing function. And day 20, monitor transaction receipts for contract calls. Day 21, subscribe to contract events and logs. And day 22, introduction to ERC20 token standard. 23, check ERC20 balance via web3.js. 24, transfer ERC20 token programmatically. And 25, approve and check allowances. 26, set up simple front-end HTML CSS with MetaMask connect button. And 27, display wallet address ETH balance on front-end. And 28, display ERC20 balance on front-end. So you don't worry, HTML, CSS, JavaScript videos also free of cost available in the Mohansh channel, Mohansh IAM trainings channel. So I will upload all the HTML, CSS, JavaScript videos also. And day 29, deploy connect a simple token contract. That is the final project. And day 30, wrapping up with the best practices and final dApp demo. So we have to do a dApp demo end to end with this 30 days Web3 course. Okay, so why Mohansh basically? Mohansh have some basic features in every video I'm telling like learn by working, workspace atmosphere, master skill with real-time work concepts and practice your skill. Still you become master, real-time coding challenges, 100% job placement assistance, 100% interview preparation with coding challenges, dedicated placement support till you land your dream job. So yeah, these are the features every video I'm actually telling you people. Why Mohansh is the unique platform in the online teaching. Why? Because of we are giving a lot of videos free of cost. Then we are going to teach emerging technologies for the students for getting the jobs immediately once they learn. Okay, finally, we connect and explore it. This is the agenda I want to show. And come to the job market with web3.js. Let me show in Naukri. Let me show in LinkedIn also. Let me go in LinkedIn jobs portal. Let me go LinkedIn job portal and let me search for the web3.js. Okay, web3.js. This is the famous now, very, very famous, and lot of job openings with only web3.js also. If you learn web3.js, then you will be having a huge number of jobs. Web3 engineer, blockchain developer, blockchain engineer, principal software engineer, developer, and a senior blockchain developer, full stack web3 developer, full time or contract, whatever it may be. So there are multiple job openings which are available, and even here also I'm going to be searching like web3.js, only web3.js, only web3.js. Search for it. You will be having a lot of job openings for 0 to 2 years experience also. Even freshers also, people are going to be getting the jobs. And if you improve the skill like 5 years, 6 years, definitely a huge number of job openings which is going to be available now. So, and if you want, you can go and check with Found It also. Found It also. I'm searching for web3.js. Web3.js. When I search like web3.js here, even web3.js, here also you will be finding a lot of job opportunities. So I will show you. So here also there are multiple job opportunities. React developer, Node developer, web3 developer, 3JS developer. Yeah, so web3.js, I missed it actually. Web3.js blockchain. Yeah, search it. Search it. Huge number of job openings which is going to be showing now. So that is the final agenda. So you people can connect with Mohansh Technologies if anybody want to inquire for latest blockchain courses, blockchain with Python or blockchain with web3.js or quantum computing or Gen AI or latest cybersecurity, uh, ethical hacking, or if you want to go for AML KYC, or if you want to go for IAM trainings like PingFederate, Okta, CyberArk kind of things. So thanks for listening the session. And this is the what actually the content for the web3.js. In the next video onwards, all the concepts by day, I will explore in the YouTube channel with the free of cost and no charges. Okay, you can subscribe the channel. Please like the video, share the video, comment the video, and subscribe the channel for the click the bell icon for the notification and all. Thanks a lot. See you signing off. Bye bye.